Phillips head screwdriver, take these 2 screws out. And just grab the light assembly and just slide it straight out. There should be some pins right here that are holding in the front part of it. Take the lights out. There's a little lock right here. Just push down on the lock and then twist. Slide it out. The same for the other ones. It's always a good idea to replace the light bulbs when you're replacing the lens. Just pull the light bulb straight out, line the new one up, lock it in place. Do the same with the other 2. Now take the light sockets, line them up. This one goes in the bottom, lock it in place. The reverse light, lock it in. And the marker turn signal, lock it in place. Now these pins are going to line up with those 2 holes. So line those up and just push it in place. Now take the screws, get them both started, and tighten them down. And snug it down, and you're good.